In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a vintage portrait effect in Photoshop. First, got to select and choose subject. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Go to the filter and convert for smart filters. Go to the image, adjustments, and choose shadows and highlights. Check the box to show more options. And just copy these settings. Go to the image, adjustments, and choose threshold. And reduce the threshold level to 100. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose solid color. Move the color fill layer below layer 0. Double-click on the fill layer's color swatch. In the color picker, you can choose whatever color you like. And this is the result.